Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I'm back with another makeup video, and today's video is going to be a purple glam look. So first I'm using Malio Photo Finish Primer on my face. So guys, after prep and prime my face, I'm going to use matte Studio Fix foundation. With the help of a beauty blender, I'm going to dab it all over my face. Here I am setting my base with the help of Faces Canada compact powder. For contouring, I am using Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and I am going to contour my hollow of cheeks, my jawline and my nose. So guys, here I am baking my highlighting area with the help of the same palette. For brows, I am using Wet n Wild Brow Kit. Now I am concealing my eyes with the help of Revlon concealer. Now I am setting the base of my eye with the help of the same compact powder. So here I am using Faces Canada Kajal to smoke out my eyelid. So guys, here I am using BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. From this I am picking the purple eyeshadow and dab it over the eyelid. Now I am blending my purple eyeshadow with the kohl. So guys, now I am picking the pink shade from the same palette and blending it over the crease. So here I am blending the purple eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Now I am applying a kohl on my lower waterline. Now I am picking a black eyeshadow from the same palette and smudging it over my lower lash line. So guys, here I am using L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes Waterproof Mascara, and I am using it over my upper and lower lashes. So guys, I have applied false lashes off camera and now I'm highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. For blush, I'm using Nykaa's Cat Chicky Blush Duo Palette in the shade 02. So guys, for highlighter I'm using Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, and with the help of this I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my forehead and my nose. For lips, I'm going to use Faces Canada lip crayon in the shade Cashmere 23. It's a very pretty nude shade. So guys, here is my final look. I hope you will like it, and if you like it, please do give a thumbs up to this video. Do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.